Okay, in this lesson we're going to look at the next type of button. We already looked at the text push button in our last lesson. I'm going to insert another button, just double click, and now choose button. And now I'm going to insert this button, make it a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to choose checkbox. Now you can see this made a checkbox button. So what this is just a box that you can check. So if we test our frame, then you can see we just have a checkbox that can be checked and unchecked. So let's look at these options. We have the disabled on start button as before. So if this button is checked, then when we test our frame, it is disabled and we can't choose it. Now if we choose hide on start, then if we test our frame, then we can see it's hidden. It should be here, but it's not. Now if we select left text, you can see that it's moving the text to the left and the box to check to the right, instead of how it was before with the box on the left and the text on the right. Then we have transparent controls. We can make the back of it transparent. See how it goes away. So if we have that, and then we choose frame, then you can see it's transparent now. And now I'm going to uncheck that, and we have system colors checkbox here. We can choose we can either have the system colors. This will use your default system colors for this. If this is unchecked, then we can choose our text color, and we can choose our background color to whatever we want. Now I'm going to set this back to system colors, and now we're going to go to size and position, normal size and position as before. Text options, you can change this like before to any font that we want, any size, and any settings that we want. And as you saw, I changed bold italic here. If I change this back to bold, you can see it automatically checked these boxes. So we can use these controls like before. We'll uncheck all of these. Okay. Now we can use movements. We'll look at that in a little while. We have runtime options as usual, events and behaviors. We have those. And then we have the name as usual. We can change this to whatever we want. I'll change this to button 2. And now you can see the name of this is button 2. And I'll change the text on this button to button 2. When we come back, we'll look at our next type of button, the radio button.